Hello, today I'll speak about exponential function. An exponential function is one where the variable x is in the exponent, not the base. General form: y equal a times b power x, where a in initial value, b base, b bigger than 0, b will not be equal 1, b will not be equal 1, b not equal 1, x exponent variable growth or decay, b bigger than 1 exponential growth, b bigger than 0 and smaller than 1 exponential decay. Example 1. Growth. Y equal x power 2 power x. I will decide x value and I will calculate the y value. When x equal minus 2, y equal 2 power minus 2 equal 1 divided by 2 power 2 equal 1/4. When x equal minus 2 equal 0.25, and when x equal minus 2, y equal 0.25. When x equal minus 1, y equal 2 power minus 1 equal 1 divided by 2, and we can write it like 0.5. And when x equal minus 1, y equal 0.5. When x equals 0, y equal 2 power 0 and equal 1, so x 0, y 1. When x equal 1, y equal 2 power 1 equal 2. When x 1, y 2 equal 2. When x equal 2, y equal 2 power 2 equal 4. When x equal 2, y equal 4. Now I will draw the graph, and I have first when x minus 2, y 1/4 and or 0.25. It will be here. When x equal minus 1, y equal half. When x equal 0, equal y equal 1. When x equal 1, y equal 2. When x equal 2, y equal 4. And it will be. And we see the graph growth here. Example 2. We see the curve rises here, and as x grow, increase, the curve rises. When x increase, the curve rises up. Now I will take another example, when the curve decay. And look like this. Y equal 1/2 power x, and the curve decay. And I will take the same value to x. When x equal -2, y equal 1/2 power x, y equal 1 divided by 2 power -2, and 1 power -2 equal 1, so I will write it as 1, but 2 power -2 equal, I will write it up, and the sign, I will change the sign, and 1 here, and I don't need write the 1 equal 4. When x equal 2, y equal 4. -2. When x equal -2, y equal 4. When x equal -1, y equal 1/2 power power -1, and 1 power -1 equal 1, but 2 power -1, when I write it up, it will be power 1, and I don't need don't need to write 2 power 1. And the next, when x equal -1, y equal 2. When x equal 0, y equal 1/2 power 0 and equal 1. When x equal 0, y equal 1. When x equal 1, y equal 1/2 equal 0.5, and x1 y half. When x equal 2, y equal 1/2 power 2. 1 power 2 equal 1, but 2 power 2 equal 4. And I will write it like 0.25 to 0.25. And now I will draw the curve. The first, when x equal -2, y equal 4. When x equal -1, y equal 2. When x equal 0, y equal 1. When x equal 1, y equal 1/2. When x equal 2, y equal 0.25. Now I can draw the curve, and this curve is decay. The curve decreases repeatedly as x increases. Summary. When x rises the curve just decay. I will write a summary, and I will finish after that. Summary. Formula: y equal a times b power x, b bigger than 1, growth, b bigger than 0, smaller than 1, decay. Y is always positive. I hope it was a good lesson for today, and we meet in another lesson next time. Goodbye and good night.